Hello. Today I would like to tell you about how you can save money and natural resources by using a toilet. Using the correct toilet, that is. If you like the information, click the like and subscribe. Stay with me till the end because I want to give you some specific information on the savings. So let's get started. Older full flush toilet models typically use 3.5 gallons of water per flush, but switching to this dual flush toilet will save you around 67% of water used compared to full flush toilets. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and water-saving plumbing option, then having both a full and half flush option, depending on the type of waste, you can accurately allocate the right amount of water for each flush, saving lots of money per month on water bills. Instead of 3.5 gallons per flush on older toilet models, this full flush button only uses 1.6 gallons per flush, and the half flush option uses half of the full flush. Want to save even more? Think about flushing every other time, if pee only. By replacing old, inefficient toilets with WaterSense labeled models, you can reduce water used for toilets by up to 60%. So if you change an old, inefficient toilet with a WaterSense labeled model, you can have a savings up to 60%. That's a humongous savings of 13,000 gallons of water a year. Additionally, you can have a financial savings of about $150 a year. Now that doesn't sound like a lot, but a penny saved is a penny earned. Have a good day.